I have a second channel, Cube Compium TDX.
Hey everybody, I want to take some time to give you guys an update on how things are going with the channel and such, because as you may notice, there hasn't been much content uploaded here recently. I think it's about a week ago I published a few videos, and it's the first time I've published anything so far in the year 2021, and here it is the end of February. So yeah, things have been kind of crazy since the start of the new year. Now, before I talk about that, first and foremost, I want to go ahead and just let you guys know, especially people in Texas, after the crazy weather y'all have had, the record cold, and stuff like that. You guys are my thoughts and prayers. This has been such a crazy time with the power outages and all the damage caused by the cold and things like that. It's been crazy. I know several of my viewers are in the state of Texas. A few of you guys are actually personally friends with me on Facebook, and I have to say it's been crazy time. Here in North Carolina, things have been a lot more mild. Just it's been cold and wet. We've picked up a bunch of rain over the past couple of weeks. It's been crazy. Had a span of like 7 days where we didn't get out of the 30s for highs, but our lows were out of the 30s and 40s for highs, and lows in the low 30s, just cold enough to where it's just either rain or freezing rain. But I know a lot of you guys, especially in the Midwest, would take that any day compared to what has been going on weather-wise here lately over there. But so, as I mentioned, things have been crazy with my personal life. Over the past month, well, since the beginning of the new year, really. Of course, for those who don't know, I work at a community college, and most of our classes are online only. And I've had a lot of stuff going on, assisting our faculty with that. So, throughout the month of January, I was pretty much slammed. I guess you could say I was slammed with that, and also stuff going on in my personal life. Just hadn't really had the chance to really sit back and enjoy doing videos for Cube channel. Now, I have been uploading some stuff to Cube Compium PDX, and of course, mostly that's weather-related stuff. I posted a few storm videos. Yeah, we've actually had some storms already this year. I've also posted some miscellaneous weather content, and also a couple videos about my new personal weather station. I got me a personal weather station for Christmas last year, and that thing has been absolutely fantastic. But really, it's just the way things have been over the past year. It's been crazy. Now, I must say, I haven't really well compared to some others. I mean, for the fact that I have not lost my job is a blessing on its own. But aside from that, just the simple fact that there's been so many changes to the way we do things. It's taken me some time to adjust to that. I guess I could say it's just one of those things that it's crazy, the social distancing and just the way things are being done right now. Having to social distance, staying at home, wearing masks if you're out in public, things like that. It's crazy. I must say, I mean, if it weren't for technology, there's no telling how this past year would have been. And I may post a separate video talking about that alone. But yeah, I just started over the past about couple of weeks. I started shooting some videos. I did a crap ton of videos of harvesting 18650 cells out of laptop batteries. I had to replace some cells of mine, the ones I used to run my camera, like the one that's filming right now. They were getting weak, not holding as big of a capacity as they used to, and I just wanted to find me some better cells, and it took me, what, 6 or 7 laptop batteries before I found a pack that had decent cells in it, cells that were in all good condition. And so yeah, I got that done. And this considering what all has happened in the past year technology wise, there's been some pretty neat things. I mean, of course, we've had some new releases from Intel and AMD, and also Nvidia and AMD graphics. But the thing is, building a PC right now, it's just so freaking expensive when you think about it, because there's so much demand right now because a lot of people are working from home, and also the shortage of supply due to the pandemic, and also those greedy people who like to buy up all the stock and resell it at higher prices on Fleabay and such. I mean, and also let's not forget the miners too, buying up all the graphics cards. That way I can mine for cryptocurrency. It's just, I mean, I haven't posted a whole lot of computer-related stuff over the past several months. I mean, and of course, in case y'all wonder why you don't see much new hardware stuff on the channel, it's because, well, I'm not building that many computers right now. It's mostly just tinkering with older stuff, and I know a lot of you guys actually enjoy that sometimes more than, of course, brand new stuff. But anyways, I'm looking to hopefully get back into doing more videos on a regular basis. It's just the past few months, really, ever since about the end of September. Of course, end of September, I ended up with COVID. My symptoms were not that bad. It was like between that of a cold and a flu. But ever since I had COVID, I've had more fatigue. It's just the feeling of being tired. You don't feel like doing anything. And also, I've had other things going on outside of computers and tech. It's unfortunate that had to be pushed to the back burner, but hopefully here soon I'll be able to start uploading more content to the channel. Now, of course, I figured I had to do this video because I know some of you guys are probably wondering, okay, what's going on? Like, where's the new videos at? And yeah, I've actually done quite a few of these kinds of videos over the past years because, I mean, we just had times throughout the past year where just things in general, if you know what I mean. So anyways, just want you guys to know that the channel is not going anywhere. I'm not going to stop posting videos. I know sometimes whenever you see these big pauses in videos, you kind of wonder, okay, is he not posting on YouTube anymore? Well, no, I'm still posting, and I plan to continue posting. After I take the opportunity to update you guys. In short, it's, like I say, it's just been stuff in general going on in my personal life, and also my regular job. Especially in January, things were just crazy. I didn't really have much time to do much anything because I was so exhausted by the time I got home. On days I worked, on days I worked from home, just, you get the picture. So anyways, hope y'all enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Well, everybody, that's it for this video, but don't forget there's a lot more interesting stuff on the channel to check out. Also, if this is your first time visiting this channel, feel free to subscribe to Computer Channel, and also don't forget to tick the bell so that way you'll get notified of new video posts. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, but if you really didn't like it, there is the alternative option available as well. Also, feel free to check out my second channel, CubeComp MTDX. There you'll find videos about bicycling, weather, elevator tours, and all sorts of other neat, interesting stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to come back, and thank you for your support.